Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear all students from second prep, Mr. Mus'ab Yusuf with you to study science. Our lesson today, we are talking Unit 1, Lesson 3, Main groups in the modern periodic table. Main group in the modern periodic table, we are talking about two groups. First group, 1A, called alkali group. Second group, group 17 or 7A, called halogens. At the first, we are talking about group 1, the alkali metals. Group 1 found in the left side of periodic table and started with hydrogen, but hydrogen not metal, hydrogen is non-metal, so we started 1A for metal only, so we start group 1, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. Starter, we are asked you some question before we study group 1. What is the name of the group 1 element? The name of group 1 alkali metal. Name 3 of this element, any 3, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium. Other question. If one of this element has the symbol and atomic number and mass, sodium and E have atomic mass 23 and atomic number 11, and we ask you what are the number of protons, neutrons and electrons in this atom. The number of protons equal the number of atomic number equal the number of electrons. Excellent. So the protons equal 11 and the electron equal 11. So we want to know the neutron. Number of neutrons equal the number of atomic mass negative number of atomic number. 23 minus 11 equal 12. Next question. What is the electron arrangement in this atom and how do we know that group we should place it in? This question means that make the configuration of for sodium number of group that sodium located in periodic table. So we have configuration for sodium 2, 8, 1. So the last outermost shell have 1 electron. So the sodium found in group 1. Placed in group 1 as the atom has 1 electron in its outer shell. We start for talking about group 1 and its properties. At first, we found group 1 exit in S block. When we make periodic table by Moseley and Bohr, we classify the element in periodic table according to the place for 4 block, S block, P block, D block, F block. Group 1, they exit in block S. They are known alkali metals. Why? Because they react with water forming alkaline solution اللي هو metal hydroxide. Group 1 they are monovalent metal. Monovalent metal because it has 1 electron in the outermost shell, so they metal, so they lose 1 electron when it make any chemical reaction or any bonds. So group 1 monovalent metal. They lose 1 electron during chemical reaction. The metallic properties for group 1. We know before in lesson 2 the metallic properties in the period decrease. Excellent. But from top to down, metallic properties increase. So lithium is less than in metallic from sodium, and sodium less than metallic from potassium. Lithium has the least metallic properties, while cesium has the most metallic properties, because from up to down metallic properties increase. Group 1 have element called francium. Francium is a radioactive element. All group 1 low density have low density except cesium. They are good conductor of electricity. Why? Because group 1 are metals. So all metals are good conductor of heat and good conductor of electricity. We complete in group 1. Alkaline metals are stored under kerosene. Give reason why alkaline metals are stored under kerosene. Because all alkaline metals are very active metals, very active, such as sodium reacts with water to form sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas evolved, which is burned with pop sound. هنا عندنا مثال for sodium when react with water, gas evolved called hydrogen and form sodium hydroxide, and this reaction make burned with pop sound. For chemical reaction, 2Ne plus 2H2O give 2NeOH or sodium hydroxide plus hydrogen gas. They don't found in nature. All group 1 alkali metal don't found in nature. The same answer. They are very active metal. When he asked me, alkaline metal must stored under kerosene. Alkaline metal don't found in nature. The same answer. They are very actively metals. Excellent. Some factors for one group alkaline metal group. He gave me some words down, one, shell, hydrogen, nucleus, and tell me use these words to fill this space. The first one, these metals all have space, electron in their outer shell, because these metals all have one electron. Reactivity increase as you go space through. This is because the electrons are farther away from the space. Every time a space is added, so they are given up more easy. Reactivity increase as you go down the group. Reactivity increase from up to down in the group. This is because the electrons are further away from the nucleus. Every time when go from up to down, every time we increase one shell. Time a shell is added, so they are given up more easily. Third one, they all react with water to form an alkali, or sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, hence their name and space. All react with water to give alkali and hydrogen. Alkali and hydrogen. Potassium plus water give me potassium hydroxide and hydrogen gas evolved. Now we are finished lesson. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.